Welcome to YouTube. This is Junaid Iftikhar from AirTech Group. Today I am going to show you that how you can speed up the performance of your laptop or PC by doing some little things. So let's start. The first thing that I am going to do is go to the search bar and type run. Open the run app and type the command %temp enter. You will see that all the temporary files are displaying here. Use the keys Ctrl+A, select all of them. Now what you have to do is right click and delete. Do this for all current items and continue this. Once it is done, it will say that this section can't be completed because the folder or a file in it is open in another program. Just select do this for all current items and skip. And the second trick is you have to go to my PC, open local disk C, go to the Windows and search for the temp folder. Here it is, temp. Open that, select all by using the key Ctrl+A and delete. Continue. Just skip for the rest of the items. For the third tip, go to the search bar, type run there, enter the command prefetch, press enter again. It will ask for the permission, so continue. Ctrl+A to delete all of them, or you can simply do like this. Select all of them, right click and delete. And the fourth tip is you have to go to my PC, right click on the local disk C and go to the properties. After that, just go to the disk cleanup and select all of them. Press OK, delete all files. And done. For the fifth tip, you have to look carefully. That's what I will do. Go to the search bar, type run there, open the app and type msconfig. Run this command. Go to the services tab and hide all Microsoft services. Once the Microsoft services are hidden, so you can select that which operations or which applications can run from the startup of the PC. Like suppose you have uTorrent or any other third-party application, you can disable it from here. The last and the final tip is go to Control Panel, Programs, uninstall a program. Just select the unnecessary application or the software that you want to uninstall. That's it. Thank you. Hope that this video was helpful. We will be uploading more videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Also share with your friends.
AirTech Solutions helping you to raise your technology standards.